In a commendable move, India has embarked on Operation Ajay to ensure the safe evacuation of its citizens from Israel. In this video, we'll delve into the details of Operation Ajay, India's strategic mission aimed at bringing back its citizens from the war-torn regions of Israel and Palestine. So, what is Operation Ajay? It's meticulously planned endeavour by the Indian government to ensure the safe return of its citizens who find themselves in the midst of conflict in Israel and Palestine. The Indian Embassy in Israel is working diligently to create a comprehensive list of Indian citizens to be evacuated. The first group of registered citizens has already received notifications. As the clock ticks down, the first evacuation flight is scheduled for this Thursday. Keep an eye out as more registered individuals receive their flight information for subsequent trips. To facilitate this massive operation, special charter flights and essential logistic arrangements are being meticulously put in place. The Ministry of External Affairs has established a 24/7 control room in Delhi to closely oversee the operation. Real-time updates and assistances are crucial, so separate emergency helplines have been set up in Tel Aviv and Ramallah. These lines enable the constant monitoring of the situation in Israel and Palestine. The scope of this mission is monumental. India is resolutely committed to assisting over 18,000 of its citizens in Israel, a diverse group of including students, caregivers, diamond traders and IT professionals. But Operation Ajay is not India's first venture into large-scale evacuations. Think back to Operation Ganga, where India successfully brought back approximately 20,000 of its citizens, including students, from the challenging circumstances in Ukraine. And let's not forget Operation Kaveri. Amid civil unrest, India ensured the safe return of 534 Indian nationals from Sudan. These past operations exemplify India's unwavering commitment to the safety and well-being of its citizens, both within its borders and far beyond. Stay tuned for more updates on Operation Ajay as we follow this remarkable mission. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For latest news and updates, you know what to do. Subscribe to Daily Saala Digital.